Welcome to Creative Tian channel. Today I have a hand knitted heart stitch, and this is made of two color yarns. One is the background color and the other one is the color of the heart. For this design, each heart shape have 3 stitches. So to cast on, it should be multiple of 6 plus 3, so you'll be symmetrical. And you can add 2 edge stitches, 1 on each side. So for this sample, I have 23 stitches. So multiple of 6, that's the 18, plus 3, 21 stitches, and then plus 1 stitch on each side, so you'll be 23 stitches. And I start with the long tail cast on, 23 stitches. And I'm just going to knit plain stockinette stitches for the first few rows. So that's knit stitch on the right side, and on the back side you'll be all purl stitches. The first row is all knit, so we turn over. The second row will be all purl stitches. Now I need 6 rows and end it in the wrong side. So when I start the pattern, you'll be the front side. For the pattern row, first I will knit the edge stitch, just a plain knit. And then I can start my pattern. I'm going to use this yarn. Now I'm going to do my first heart, and I'm going to use 3 stitches. Place a new color yarn to the right needle. And then we find the 3 stitches. We're going to go to the center stitch and count down 4 stitches. So you can count the chain, first chain, second chain, third chain, fourth chain. You can also do the third chain to make it smaller. But I think if it's lower, it gets more dramatic, like a bigger heart. And then we just knit the first one, like that. Pull it out. And we can pull out a little bit more and place the yarn to the left needle. And now we want to knit these 2 together, but we want to knit through the back. Because if we knit through the front, you will see the white yarn, and we don't want to have white yarn on the heart. So we knit through the back like that. And then we do it one more time. We go through the same hole. Knit. Pull the stitch up. And place the 2 red stitches back to the left needle. And this time we'll knit 2 together from the front, from the left side. And that's our right side of the heart. So we can drop the red yarn and pick up the white yarn, like that. And then this is the center of the heart. I want it to be a little bit bulky, so I'm going to add a stitch. So I'm going to knit to the first chain below that stitch. Here, knit. And place the yarn back to the left. And then knit 2 together. These 2 stitches together. And now we are going to do the left side of the heart. Drop the white yarn, pick up the red, and we go back to the same hole and knit. Pick up the stitch, pull out a little bit, back to the left needle, and together with the first white stitch here, we will do knit 2 together through the back loop again. Go from the back, let go, and then we repeat one more time. Go to the same hole, pull out, place those 2 stitches back to the left needle, And this time we knit two together the regular way. We do it knitwise. That's how we finish the hard stitch. Now we drop the red yarn and pick up the white yarn again. I will knit 3 stitches. And then we'll start the hard stitch again. Drop the white, pick up the red, and find the 3 stitches, the middle stitch here, and go down 4 stitches. First chain, second, third, fourth chain, knit, pull it out a little bit, place to the left needle, knit 2 together through the back, and one more time, go to the same hole, knit, pull, and those 2 stitches back to the left needle, and this time we need to together knit twice. Now we drop it, pick up the white, we do the center of the heart, we go to the first chain here, knit, back to the left needle, and knit 2 together. Now drop it, and we pick up the red, and we'll do the left side. The same hole here, knit, place to the left needle, and then knit 2 through the back. Let go, and one more time. And then these 2 stitches, go back to the left needle, and we knit 2 together. Now we finish another hard stitch. And we'll just keep repeating that. Pick up the white, knit 3, knit stitch, and we'll do the hard stitch again. Pick up the red yarn, find the middle, go down 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our first row. And then we'll do 5 rows of plain stockinette stitch. So we'll have to turn. That's a purl row. And then second one in the front will be knit row, and then purl row, knit row, and then purl row. So we will end up in the back side. And then we'll do the pattern row again. The second pattern row, we can offset it, so it will be here, here, and here. It will be 3 hearts. Another problem with the collar knitting is all the tangling in the back. So we just have to manage that, try to untangle it. Since I do all the heart from the right side, so I like the yarn to be on the right side when you are looking at the front. But now it's in the left side. So I'm going to carry the red yarn back only for this row, so it will be easier for my next pattern repeat. The back side is just all purl stitches. I will start with a few stitches of the pearl. Around 3 stitches or 4 stitches, I will do a twist so it doesn't have a very long float. And you can twist it this way or the other way as long as it catch the yarn. I'll do it this way first and continue my pearl. Pull it. Around every 3 stitches, I'll do a twist. If you alternate in twisting directions to the right or to the left, you should help with managing the tangling. So we'll continue. Now the red yarn is back to the other side. So we'll continue 4 more rows, just the white yarn, and then we'll start the next pattern repeat. Now I finished the 5 rows of the plain stockinette stitch. I'm going to start the next pattern. And for this row, I'm going to have heart in between the previous heart. So you'll be here, here, and here. So the first stitch is the edge stitch. So we'll do a knit. And then the 3 stitches, that's for this heart. So 3 knit stitches. And now we'll start our first heart. So we can drop the yarn, pick up the red yarn that's below in the previous heart here. And then we'll do the same. Find the center stitch and go down 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place it to the left needle and knit 2 together through the back. Like that. And one more time, knit through the same hole. Now we have 2 stitches on the right, place it to the left side, and knit 2 together, knitwise. That's the right side. We drop the yarn, pick up the white yarn, and go through the first chain below the stitch, knit, place it to the left needle, knit 2 together, and we drop the white yarn, pick up the red, and repeat through the same hole. Pull out a little bit, tighten a little bit, and knit 2 together through the back. And one more time to the same hole. Now we have 2 stitches here. Place to the left side and knit 2 together. That's our heart. And we'll drop the yarn and then 3 knit stitches. And then we'll keep repeating the heart stitch and then 3 knit stitches, heart stitch, 3 knit stitches, and then finish with a knit stitch. And after this row, we'll repeat 5 more rows and then repeat the first heart pattern as before. So there are always 5 rows in between the patterns. Now I finished this row. I'm going to do the pearl row in the back, and remember to carry the red yarn to the other side. So when we do the next pattern, it's easier to continue. So that's how you can hand knit the 2-color heart stitch. The 2-color Fair Isle stitches are always easier when we are knitting in the round instead of flat and back and forth, because we don't have to worry about the wrong side knitting that's different from the front side. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.